The Cuyahoga County Board of Elections wants to fill you in on paper ballot voting. Check your ballot for the correct ward number and precinct letter. Fill in the oval completely to indicate your vote. No checks, no partial marks, no X's, no circles. Make sure your ballot is marked correctly. If you make a mistake, return it to the poll worker and request another ballot. You may ask for up to 2 replacement ballots. Choose the correct number of candidates for each race. Do not vote for more candidates than indicated. Incorrectly marked votes will not be counted for that race. Do not put the ballot into the scanner without checking for accuracy. Call the Voter Information Hotline or visit the website for more information. The polls are open Tuesday, November 4th from 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m.